Hey all you Simonites, it's Simaan, owner and broker of the Simaan Group right here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. And today we're at our new listing in Royal Cypress Preserve. It's a great community built by Toll Brothers, all newer construction. This home has hardly been lived in. It was a vacation home, and it's a popular Sebastian model, which is 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's a shy under 2,400 square feet, all on one floor, guys. And that's super rare to find a home with all the living space. Think about it, with a 2-story home, you're not really utilizing the upstairs, but with all one level, you can have friends and family over and just enjoy everything this home has to offer. And it has over $162,000 in seller upgrades, and it's looking for a new buyer, and I hope that's you. So without further ado, let's take a look inside. Follow me, come on. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful Sebastian model with $162,000 in upgrades. You might think it's $1 million home, but it's not. It's priced at $749,000. Come on, you can't find a better house than this. And I'll tell you what, Royal Cypress Preserve is right next door to Walt Disney World. You can watch the fireworks every single night. It's magical, guys. This home is looking for the right buyer, and that right buyer is you. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Every home has a story. Let us tell yours. In the meantime, I'm going to hang out here for a few more hours and watch some Disney fireworks. See you guys in the next video.